I send blessing and salutation be upon the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Honorable Chairman, distinguished guests, respected teachers and guardians, and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Luba. I am from Kalighat. I read in class 2. The name of my madrasa is Islami Dawat Institute. It is situated at Tulmana Kalighat, Lalmonihar. The madrasa has two I-shaped buildings with a large mosque in front of it. The classrooms are well spacious and airy. It has a large kutubkhana with thousands religious books on all aspects of Islam. Students can borrow books from it. The madrasa runs a body of the residential students. We have Nurani section, Maktab section, Nadara section, Kitabkhana and Hifzokhana. About 5 to 10 students become Hafiz every year. About 400 students study in this madrasa. Class starts at 8 a.m. and breaks up at 4 p.m. There is a break for lunch or namaz. They are 20 all experienced and highly qualified teachers here. They take good care of us. Moreover, I really love to study here. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah.